Hello, beautiful soul. It's 1:34 p.m. I woke up at 12 and I've made myself this yummy oats with dates, sattu powder, apples, and what else? Jaggery, cardamom, cinnamon, and what there was some pumpkin seeds puree. And I'm super grateful to have it. You can go to my bio, you can donate for my food, rent, healthcare, self care. If my videos are bringing positive energy and insights, and yeah, to you, and I'm happy to have you here. And I'm manifesting wealthy people in my life who love to spoil me consistently and just, yeah. Anyway, the attitude that I'm having for today is, very being very kind with myself, very gentle with myself, even though I woke up at 12 and usually I would criticize myself, but I'm just being very kinder and loving with myself. And usually, we go about our day with fear, but I am going towards my day, rest of the day, with the assumption that it's all happening at God's will and God's looking after everything. And so, even if I'm waking late, it's God's will. There is something positive in it. And, you know, also, like, I am refusing to entertain any possibility of lack, poverty, poor health, misfortune. I refuse to entertain it in my mind, you know, because God's in charge. So my prosperity is secured and it will reach me, and the money that is mine, it will reach me. The love that is mine, the friendships that are mine, the opportunities, the clients, the home, the ideas that are mine, everything that is mine will reach me, and will reach in to me in a very godly manner. So yeah, and I have to pay my rent. I don't know how to, and I was feeling anxious around that. But I know God's got me. I know God's got me. God will provide for me, and God will create miraculous solutions and options for me, like God has always. So yeah. You guys, I am the luckiest and blessed girl that I get to eat this yummy, juicy red watermelon. And like, wow, I will eat half today and half I will keep for tomorrow. Wow. I belong with fruits. I belong with trees. I belong with rivers. I belong with in fresh air. I belong in forest. I belong with water bodies, clean water bodies. I belong in nature. I belong with fruits. I belong with loving energy. I belong with uh, the most luxurious energies, godly energies, like the energies and the environments that are rooted in love, rooted in creativity, rooted in warmth. I belong there. Yeah, and you belong with me. That means you also belong with rivers, trees, water bodies, stars, mountains, fruits, vegetables, healthy food, luxury energy, and with environments, with hearts. You belong with hearts that are rooted in love, the hearts that are so open. Yeah, just love, love, good health, 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 success, warmth, happiness, joy. We belong with spirit of joy, spirit of fun, spirit of enjoyment, spirit of money, health, wealth, prosperity, spirit of excitement, spirit of good colors. We belong in most vibrant, beautiful, softest colors. We belong with colors that makes us feel our best and the safest and the calmest. Yeah. You guys, I'm having for dinner, just I simply roasted some moong dal tofu in just some coconut oil and salt. This is really delicious. I also couldn't make the video today how to make moong dal tofu, but it's super simple. I'll make Vrani, bring magic magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful. And you guys, it's 8:30 p.m. now, and I was cleaning my home and just doing kitchen work and all of that. And then I just wore something cute. Spirit inspired me, and I was feeling, while I was doing cleaning, while I was just washing the mattresses, washing clothes, the Rani peed on the bed sheet, so I was washing that bed sheet and cleaning around. I was just chanting Hanuman Chalisa, Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapisi Lok Ujagar, Ramdut, Baldhama, Anjani Putra, Pavan Sutanama, Mahavir, Vikram Bajrangi, Kumati Nivar, Sumati Kesang, Janvaran Virat, Subesha, Kanan Kundal, Kunchit Kesa, Hath Bajro, or Dhaja Biraje, Mujjane Usaje, Shankar Suman Kesari, Nandan Tej Pratap, Mahajag Bandan, Vidyava, अति चातुर राम काज करबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता या सूक्ष्म रूप धरसिय दिखावा विकट रूप धर लंक जरावा भीम रेसुर सहारे रामचंद्र जी के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए श्री रघुवीर शुर लाए रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतई संभाई सहस बदन ओजस गावे अश्कई श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा नारद शाह सा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँते कभी को विद कही सके कहाते तुम उपकार वही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंके सब जग जाना युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु मुद्रिका मिले मुख माही जल दिलांग गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम तुम रे ते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत ना आज्ञा बिन पैसारे लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे लोक हाकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम पे नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बल बीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाही जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्ध सखी गौर जो नीदास सदा हरिचेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय महाडेरा पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहे हृदय बसौ सुरभूप. So I was just chanting this while I was doing the jhadu, like brooming my house, or pocha, like just cleaning it. I was just chanting Hanuman Chalisa continuously, I think last 1.5 hours, and I have my water over here, so yeah, anyway, I was going through like lot of fears, okay, lot of fears. I'm like, my father is like, come back home, your sister is alone and all of that, and I'm like, yes, that's true, I want to be there for my family, but I am also like that, going back home, living in there, and then being told like, you can wear this, you cannot wear this, you can walk like this, talk like this. No, there is so much foundation, and I don't want that. I want to be feel freer, happier, open in my body, lighter in my body, and where I love being here, and then but I have to pay my home rent, and I haven't been able to pay like last 2 months of rent previously, and this month of rent as well. And then when I go down, like since morning I haven't been took Rani out, now I will take out. I'm like afraid, what if my landlady sees me, and my landlord also. Landlady is nicer, but my landlord, like my landlady's partner, looking at him, I just get like like this, and I'm just so confused what to do, what's the right thing to do, what is the right thing here, God, and I feel like so there was this uncertainty, and my mind is just occupied with all this. It's like you just want to, I don't know, it's very frustrating, it's really frustrating. I was going through all of them and I was just like, I don't know what to do. I really don't. It's so confusing, frustrating. It's like making any decision, it's like killing my spirit, because I don't know, like really don't know. Now I will go on a walk, but so I was just praying to God, like, God, you like lead my body, my mind, my heart to the most joyful outcomes. Take my body, take my mind, take my heart to the most exciting, joyful outcomes. Dear God, bless me with the strength in my mind, in my body, in my heart to keep making self-loving choices on repeat. Dear God, bless me with the strength in my mind, in my body, in my heart to keep making self loving choices on repeat. So that I'm not listening to fears and all of these, because this situation can really convince us to make decision out of fear. But I want love to lead me, big love to lead me, because that's what I have done in my life. I have let love lead me in all situation, even when it was uncomfortable, for me. So I know, like, I want to like my body should feel good. I have lived all of my life in panic, in anxiety, in fear, in worry, in stress, in lack, and it has affected my body so much. I can't be healthy. I can go to doctor, get medicines, but if my body is in panic, if my body is in fear, if my body is in lack, if my body is in stress, I can't heal, I can't have good health. Then what's the point? What's the point if I can't have good health? And also, like, I can, if my body is around people, who are constantly gossiping, who are constantly putting you down, who are constantly shaming you, or if my body is in an environment where it can't fully express, like if I am not able to wear whatever I want to wear, if I'm not able to, relax. For me, it's very important. I need to be around water, in nature, wearing whatever I want to wear. Bikini, I should, like, wearing bikini, dancing, meeting different kinds of people, like good people, like my collective, and like just in right colors, bikini, seeing sunrise, sunset, being around water, nature, exploring myself. That life is supposed to be mine. That's what I am meant to live. And I don't know how to, like, really create it, because these fears stops me, these stress stops me. When you are in stress, you can't see opportunities and all of that. But yeah, that's what I want. I want to feel really good. I want to be around people who uplifts me, around whom I feel really safe in my body. You know? Yeah. So I'm just like, God, you lead me, you guide me. And at the same time, I want the best for my father, for my sister, for everybody. Like, But anyway, so now let's just do goddess affirmations. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses powers in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses confidence in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses style. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses magic in me. I'm a goddess and I am making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have my rent and all the other bills so easily and effortlessly paid, always in advance. I'm a goddess, and I always have the time, the energy, the money, the resources, the strength, the power to make the choices to that are in my highest good, highest health, highest wealth, highest happiness, highest success, highest joy. I'm a goddess, and I am walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, eating like a goddess, waking up like a goddess, dressing up like a goddess, thinking like a goddess, moving in this world as a goddess, making choices like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully obsessed with pouring their time, their energy, their love, their money, their heart, their trust, their faith into me over and over again. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them, for their families, for their loved ones, for their friends. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to guide them, to mentor them on their unique life, spiritual, and creative path, and to share my psychic and spiritual insights with them. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to be in my energy consistently, to learn from me consistently, to experience the magic of my art, magic of my heart, magic of my creative creations, magic of my existence consistently. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to keep me happy and very well taken care of consistently. I'm a goddess, and I have goddesses powers in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses confidence in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses style. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses magic in me. I'm a goddess, and I am making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess, and I have my rent and all the other bills so easily and joyfully and effortlessly paid always in advance. I'm a goddess, and I always have the time, the energy, the money, the resources, the power to make the choices that are in my highest health, highest joy, highest happiness, highest success, highest well-being. I'm a goddess, and I'm walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, waking up like a goddess, making choices like a goddess, dressing up like a goddess, thinking like a goddess, moving in this world like a goddess. I'm a goddess, and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully pouring their time, their energy, their love, their money, their heart, their faith, their trust into me over and over again. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them, for their families, for their loved ones. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to guide them, to mentor them on their unique life, spiritual, and creative path, and to share my psychic and spiritual insights with them. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to be in my energy consistently, to learn from me consistently, to experience the magic of my art, magic of my heart, magic of my creative creations, magic of my existence consistently. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts to keep me happy and very well taken care of consistently. I'm a goddess, and I have goddesses powers in me. I'm a goddess, and I have goddesses confidence in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses style. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses magic in me. I'm a goddess, and I'm making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess, and I always have my rent and all the other bills so easily and effortlessly paid always in advance. I'm a goddess, and I always have the time, the energy, the money, the resources, the strength, the power to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest happiness, highest joy, highest success, highest well-being, highest success, highest joy, highest happiness, highest well-being. Yeah, I'm a goddess, and I'm walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, waking up like a goddess, dressing up like a goddess, thinking like a goddess, moving in this world like a goddess, making choices like a goddess. I'm a goddess, and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I'm a goddess. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully obsessed with pouring their time, their energy, their love, their money, their heart, their faith, their trust into me over and over again. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them, for their family, for their loved ones. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to guide them, to mentor them on their unique life, spiritual, and creative path, and to share my psychic and spiritual insights with them. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to be in my energy consistently, and to experience the magic of my heart, magic of my art, magic of my creative creations, magic of my wisdom, magic of my existence consistently. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to keep me happy and very well taken care of consistently. Yeah, I want to set the very strong boundary in my life right now, that everybody who watches my YouTube videos, my psychic messages, or watches me on Instagram, or be in my energy, or in my life, who in any form, if they are having access to me, if they are watching me, listening me, thinking of me, they must pay me. They must pay me, and pay me really good. Or they must be aligned with me, like they must be in my highest, they must act in my highest good and highest peace. So no anybody who is not patient with me, who is not kinder with me, gentler with me, who is not, speaking good things over my life, good positive energy in my life, who is not adding to my wealth, who is not, being in the right energy, meaning when they have the money to pay and they see me struggling but they don't help me, or if they, they don't spoil me, they don't gift me, they don't, like when you love somebody, you do all of these things, you happily do them. So if anybody, is not being right by my side, they must not exist in my life. So if you're watching me right now, and if you're not, in your right energy, you're watching me, sending me any kind of hate or negative energy, I command you to, like, get lost. Get lost before I curse you. Because if I do, your life will destroy. Your life will destroy, your health will destroy, your everything will destroy, and I don't want to do that. So you better leave right now and never come back. Never come back. If you don't have right energy and intentions with me, do not exist in my life, on my videos. I am not open for you. Okay? And if you choose to be here with that energy, you better prepare to be dead. You better prepare to be dead. You better prepare to live a very life full of misery. you know yeah. This needs to be said. This needs to be said. People in our life needs to know that you can only be right by my side. If you want to have a close access to somebody, you're watching their videos, you are listening to them, or if you are their friend, if you are their family, and you look at them and you're sending them hate, what kind of disgusting attitude is this? Instead of showing up with compassion, oh my god, this is no, not allowed. This is not allowed. Not with me, not with me, not with me. I only want people in my life. I only want the viewers in my life. I only want the clients. I only want the friends. I only want the people who have access to me, who can see me, talk to me, to be showing up with generous and loving energy only. Yeah. I love this. I want to protect my magic, my glamour. One of the things when my father says, come back home, live here, live with us, it's like I will lose my magic, I will lose my beauty. It's very important for my health. Like, literally, for my health, it is very necessary that I get to wear whatever I feel inspired to wear. It's very necessary for my health. It's not even about anything else now. It's like about my health, that I must wear whatever I want to wear, and I must be able to follow my creative instincts. It's just God, do magic. God, do right by my side. Do right by, find a win-win in this situation. When my father is calling me to come back home, but I like living here where I am, around trees, mountains. I don't want to go back to my hometown. No. I love this. I love this. I want to see what more beauty this life has for me. Yeah, God, please lead my mind, body, and heart to the most self. Like, yeah, my prayer in this situation is like, God, bless me with the strength in my mind, in my body, in my heart, to make self loving choices on repeat. Yeah. Dear God, bless my mind, bless my body, bless my heart with the strength to make self-loving choices on repeat. Dear God, take my body, take my mind, take my heart to the most joyful outcomes, to the most magical outcomes, to the most exciting outcomes. Dear God, I only want people in my life who are very generous with me, who are in their integrity with me, yeah, who loves to spoil me, who loves to just make me happy all the time. Yeah. What else? I intend in my life to be led by God, to be led by love, to be led by the spirit of joy. I intend to be led by the spirit of joy. You guys, I was meant to be on camera. I was meant to be on camera. I was meant to wear very stylish outfits. I was just meant for those things. It was just, it's like I'm meant for that. Like, I belong in these stylish outfits. I belong in these stylish outfits, and it's just, that's my, it's like, it's just, what I want you to know through this video is that there will be moments that you will come to know, like, yes, I was always meant for this. I was always meant for this kind of life, this kind of bigness, this kind of joy, you will just have this realization that I am meant for that. Or if you have already had that realization,